Now let's taste my beef broccoli. Broccoli first. That broccoli is so crunchy. Now let's try the beef. That beef is tender and juicy. Try some? Enjoy! Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is stir-fried beef broccoli. Guys, I love cooking exotic recipes from all around the world. Guys, check out my channel. I've organized playlists so that you can find my Filipino recipes with ease. Here are the ingredients of my stir-fried beef broccoli. Beef, brown sugar, oyster sauce, beef stock, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, onion, fish sauce, water, ground black pepper, cooking oil, and broccoli. Now let's burn off the beef. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Now let's start cooking! In a preheated pan, add the cooking oil. Once the oil hot, add the garlic and saute. Once the garlic turns golden brown, add the beef. Brown up the beef for 2 minutes. Smells absolutely gorgeous. After a minute, we can turn the beef over. From pink to light brown. Season with ground black pepper. Give it a stir, and now that's done, we can remove the beef and set aside. Now we can add some more cooking oil. Now we can add ginger. Smells absolutely lovely. And now we can put the onion. Give it a stir. Once the onion is soft, you can add your broccoli. this point, we can add the broccoli, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, water. Bring it to boil. And you can now add your beef stock. Stir. And bring it to boil. And we can stir fry for this broccoli, guys, for 5 minutes on a high heat. Keep stirring. Now add the beef back after 5 minutes. And stir. Mix thoroughly. Oh wow, that's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, this beef broccoli smells gorgeous. Keep stirring. Isn't that beautiful, isn't it, guys? Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the color contrast of that beef and broccoli. Because we're using sirloin steak, it only takes 5 minutes to cook. Now it's ready. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my beef broccoli cooked in 10 minutes. Serve with rice and enjoy. Now let's taste my beef broccoli. Broccoli first. That broccoli is so crunchy. Now let's try the beef. That beef is tender and juicy. Try some? Enjoy! I hope you enjoy my beef broccoli today. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. And thank you once again for all your support, guys. And I'm look forward of making another 100 Filipino recipes. Stick with me, guys. See you soon.